Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my short braised ribs that everyone loves. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by seasoning our ribs with coarse salt and black pepper. Add a good amount. Along with that, some crushed herbs. And just do it on both sides. Okay, and once ready, we can take it to the stove. We're going to begin by covering the bottom of our cast iron with oil. Set it over high heat and allow it to heat up. Once it's hot, we can begin to sear our ribs. We're just going to be searing 2 minutes per side. After 2 minutes, we can flip them over and sear the other side. After 2 minutes, our ribs should be nice and seared on both sides. We're going to remove them from the pot and repeat the same steps with the rest of our meat. Once we have seared all of our ribs, we're going to add our butter. Allow it to melt. And here you also want to reduce the heat to medium. Now add the celery and carrots, along with the onion and garlic. Mix it and saute it for a couple minutes. And just scrape the bottom of your pot to remove all of the burn bits. After a couple minutes, add the tomato paste along with the chile chipotles. And don't worry, this is not going to make it spicy. It's just going to give it a nice smoky flavor. Mix it in. Once we mix it in, going to sprinkle our all-purpose flour along with all of our spices. Just mix it. Okay, here we're going to add our Maggi. Just give it a few splashes. And add the 1 cup of beer, or you can just use broth. Mix it and allow it to thicken up. Okay, once it has thickened up, I'm going to be adding some more herbs along with my bay leaves and our beef broth. And here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust it. And now we're going to get ready to add our ribs. Okay, once we added the ribs, we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Now that it has come to a simmer, we can turn it off, cover it. We're going to place it in our oven at 325 degrees and allow it to braise for 3 hours. Okay, guys, so while we wait for our ribs, we're going to make our mashed potatoes. So here I already boiled my potatoes with salted water. Just boil them till they're nice and tender. Now we're just going to drain them. Okay, now return the potatoes back to the pot. Here we're going to add our butter and black pepper. Now we're just going to begin to smash them down and just allow the butter to melt. Okay, once we smash down our potatoes, here I'm going to add my milk. And just mix it with the potatoes. Okay, here taste them for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But just like that, we have our mashed potatoes. Okay, after 3 hours, our ribs are done. They should be nice and tender. Of course, make sure that you check them, as you can see. So now I'm just going to remove all of the fat formed on top of the broth. Okay, so once we remove that, we're just going to allow it to rest for a few minutes and then we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so after a few minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Grab your ribs. Going to grab some of the gravy, pour it over the mashed potatoes, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, so flavorful. The meat is nice, juicy, tender, and everyone, I promise you, will enjoy it. The mashed potatoes, so simple, yet just complements the meat so well. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So comforting, so filling, just so delicious. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have my super easy and delicious braised ribs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.